Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be recreating the Kim K blue eye makeup. I'm really excited for today's video because this look is super bold and I am obsessed with it. I think blue eyeshadow really brings my eyes out. I did this look for eye mats. I didn't use this eyelid color. You guys will find out what eyelid color I used on my eyes later on in the video, so make sure to keep watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm almost to 95k and I'm excited because that means I'm closer to 100k. So if you guys want to subscribe to me, please hit that subscribe button. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post a new video. And please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. If you guys are interested in how I achieved the Kim K blue eyes, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already applied my foundation, my cream contour, my brows. So today I'm going to be mainly focusing on my eyes. I just wanted to speed up the process since you guys always see me apply my foundation. I had to dip into my old Lorac palette. This is the Mega 2 palette because I needed a transition color. So for the transition color, I'm going to be using the color Purple. I'm sure you guys can find that shade anywhere. I'm going to be listing everything down below, every product that I use, so just check in my description. Just so you guys know, I am only focusing this shade right in the crease, and if it gets on the lid, it's okay because we're just going to cover that up with some more blue eyeshadow. Okay, so once I have that shade on, I'm going to be taking the NYX eyeshadow in Electroshock. But yeah, you guys can use any blue eyeshadow. You don't have to use this one specifically. I'm just going to deepen up the crease a little bit more. A little side note, when I went to eye mats, I did discover a better blue that I think would go best with this eye look. For eye mats, I did use this all over the lid, but I think this shadow is way better. This is the Mehron Precious Gem Powder, and this is in the shade Sapphire. I definitely wanted to try out this blue because once I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this blue will look amazing on the lid. You do need the mixing liquid to make the pigment like super blue. I'm gonna demonstrate it in a minute. But this mixing liquid is great. It's by Mehron. It's great if you guys want to apply your glitters, pigments. To apply it, I'm going to be using my Sigma concealer brush. This is the F70 brush. I'm actually going to be dipping some of the liquid, not dipping, pouring some of the liquid in the cap. Obviously you don't need that much. And I'm going to dip my brush inside the liquid. I'm going to just dip my brush into the product. Do you guys see how freaking gorgeous that blue is? And just so you guys know, this does not crease. It dries down and it will not move, so that's why I decided to choose this as my lid color. Okay, so I applied my lashes off camera. The lashes that I have on right now, they are by Koko lashes. They're called Girl About Town. She has like wispy eyelashes, so I feel like these were perfect for the eye look. And they're super affordable too. But anyways, so I'm actually going to be moving on to my lower lash line. And for my lower lash line, I'm actually just going to repeat the steps that I applied my eyeshadow on my lids. I'm going to be applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. course, for bronzer, we're using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And to apply it, I'm using the Morphe M527 brush. And then for blush today, I'm going to be using the MAC blush in Peaches because this is like my all-time favorite blush. And I'm just going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. So I'm just going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus just to set and also prep for highlighter. And of course for highlighter today, we're using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And now for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in Subculture. Since we have such a bold look, I'm just going to keep my lips very mute and glossy. For lipstick, I'm using the MAC lipstick in Yash. For lip gloss, I'm using the Jouer lip gloss in Diamond Walk. Okay guys, so that is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I never done a bold look like this, so I was very excited to try it out. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Happy on the outside, weary inside, smile.